Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It's Covenant Kids Week, and today we have a special guest who's part of the amazing team providing care and resources to young kids in our community. Joining us is Dr. Michael Fiore. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me.
So just to get things started, can you tell us a little bit about your role at Covenant Healthcare?
Sure, I'm the director of the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit at Covenant Healthcare.
All right. And Covenant Healthcare is officially a children's hospital, but what does being a children's hospital really mean?
It means a lot of things. It's a recognition of the care that we've always provided to the children of the region, but it's a designation. It's really a commitment of the hospital and the community to provide high level of care to the children.
Definitely. We are so thankful for all you guys do for our region. Can you talk about some of the unique medical services that Covenant offers to the community?
Sure. Where I work is at the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, which is one of 9 pediatric intensive care units in the state of Michigan. We're the northernmost pediatric ICU, so we provide high level of critical care for children who require it. That might include patients who have respiratory illnesses, diabetes emergencies, seizures, trauma. We have cardiology services, neurology. We have a very large neonatal intensive care unit.
And how far of an area do some kids have to come for care from Covenant Children's Hospital in Saginaw?
So as I mentioned, we're the northernmost children's hospital in the state of Michigan. So we receive patients from 20 county referral area, all the way up to the entire northeast quadrant of Michigan, as high as Alpena, the entire Thumb, the entire Great Lakes Bay region.
So you cover a big area, a lot of patients,
we cover
a
large area. We're a huge service to a lot of children.
Well, yesterday was the Covenant Kids Radiothon on 102.5 WIOG. Why does support from the community mean so much to you and your colleagues?
It's really essential for us. We will always provide high level of care for children, but having that extra level of community support lets us provide another degree of making the care special. We can buy equipment that children need sometimes, or perhaps even upgrading the unit to make it child friendly. So it's a friendly, warm environment, nice for families to be present in.
And can you just talk more about what families could expect from the pediatric department at Covenant? What should parents expect when they take their children in? Well,
first of all, they should expect a high level of standard of care that they could acquire anywhere else throughout the country at a children's hospital.
Right.
But they can receive that level of care regionally. We involve families in all aspects of care. It's a family-centered approach, so families are present. We involve their input. We have family-centered rounds where we involve family in shared medical decision-making. We also provide a physical environment that's warm and inviting to families, so they can spend the time with their children and not be apart from them, especially if they have infants or babies. We have special places, physical locations dedicated just to families, so they can get away from the hospital room for a while and go get some respite care, have a snack, get a nap in if they need to.
And of course, that's all in one place. It's all under one roof, which is so helpful.
Yes, it is. It's all part of our children's hospital, the Women's Children's Center.
Well, Dr. Fiore, you are obviously very passionate about what you do. Where does that passion come from?
Well, I think when you take care of children, you recognize that children represent future, hope, and promise. You know, they're going to grow, and it's an unknown potential. So it's exciting to take care of someone at their youth and knowing that there's potential of what they may become.
Definitely. Well, thank you so much for being here today and telling us more about Covenant. We appreciate it.
Well, thank you for having me.
Of course. And if you missed the Covenant Kids Radiothon yesterday on 102.5 WIOG, you can still donate by using the QR code right now on your screen. Every penny donated will stay local and go directly to supporting and enhancing programs and equipment to support care for babies and kids in our region. You can also find more information by going to our website and visiting the hot link section on WNEM.com.